Welcome to everybody. In this video, I am going to share you how I have implemented the NLP based product recommendation in my e-commerce application. So, as you people know, I am developing an e-commerce application which has some plenty of technologies. If you don't know about what is the idea of what is the idea I am working on, please do subscribe to my channel. And further ado, we will get into the content. So here I have my e-commerce application. Inside this e-commerce application, I have stored plenty amount of data of e-commerce products. So for these e-commerce products, I need to provide and I have planned to provide my users recommendation products, which is based on their likelihood. In an instance, let me say another examples what I'm going to do. In our day-to-day life, we are using a lot of applications like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. So all these applications have recommendations. Like you can see, so if you like a reel in a Instagram, automatically that content type of reel will be recommended in upcoming videos too. So this is possible by some of the algorithm they have used in the application. But it is not a large scale application here I have, but yet I have done a simple recommendation algorithm here. So for this I have used NLP. Let me explain how I have done this. So here I have my MongoDB database. So inside this database I have almost an array of products, almost 5 to 6 products here I have. So all these products have their own product data, and also inside this I have a particular one thing called the likes. It is an array. So it shows which user likes my product along with, but it stores like the person's some of the data, like for example their authentication token, and also the product id, of course the database stored product id, and also the title of that product and whether the user is liked or not. So these are the data we have inside our MongoDB. So this is not a good manner to store the likes data inside the product itself. It's better to store in other collections. But since still it is development, so I have done within the product itself. So how I have done this, my logic is to grab the users, what are the products user like, what they didn't like. So I have implemented the like functionality inside my application. So if the user likes these data like token, their product id and title of the product, whether the user is liked or not, this boolean conditions will be stored inside my MongoDB database. So here you can see. Next, what I have done here, I have collected all the likes product inside my database. So for this, I need to pass a parameter like token. Since I have developed this inside a Node.js and Express.js server, which is act as a backend for my entire project. Here I have collected the database, users token. Next, what I have done here, I have checked for whether the user other liked datas, like we have array of likes. So I got all the liked datas and check whether it has a liked data or not, or else simply it throws a message no liked products. Next, the very most important thing here, I have implemented a empty array which is called as keywords to store some keywords of that product title. So next, what I have done, I have extracted the title from the all the liked products. For this, I have used an NLP setup, which is nothing but a library present in the Node.js or else in the npmjs.com. So what is this purpose of this library? Natural is to stem or else checks for the words by using NLP. So this is it's a simple manner. So I have done this. So this keyword extracted, what it will done, it will get the product like the product title, and it will check and tokenize filter, and it will stem the keywords. So it will return the stemmed keywords. So here what I have done, I have stored all those stemmed keywords inside this keyword array. Next, to remove the duplicated words, I have used here the set. So inside the set, I have passed this keyword list or else array. So automatically this set will remove all the duplicated keywords, and that a unique pair of keywords will be stored on the unique keywords variable. Next, what I have done, I have mapped all those unique keywords to check for the case sensitiveness, and all those words will be stored on the reg experts. Next, to my recommendation products, inside this I have collected all the product, and I have inputted or else I have filtered these regex words. So, and then the filtered product will be returned from this recommendation products. The next is simple ranking system, which is the most efficient one I have done in this, which is nothing but providing ranking to those products. So this will be a little bit of technical thing. It looks like, because of I have implemented a vast number of things inside this. You can see a bunch of codes. So what is the purpose of this code? So if the user likes, let me say an example, if the user like, if there are 10 amount of products inside my database, so along with that there are plenty of Apple products, and also there are plenty of Dell products and plenty of other products too. If the user likes for the Apple product and he provide like inside my application, so automatically it will be stored on the MongoDB database. So once the stored data will be collected here, and it will stem on all the product previous things I have mentioned earlier. So all the recommended products will be provided here, and it mapped through that all the recommended products. So here it will provide some score for that product. For example, let me say, if the user like product has came, and also the title includes a liked product, automatically it will give priority to that product. For example, let me say I have liked for the Apple product, automatically it provides a score for it. So here you can see I have once again I have used extra keywords, and I will provide the title. So the product keyword will be once again stored here, and it will be provided a score. If a product comes once again and user like a product, it will provide a score. So again comes, it provide another score. If the score increases, automatically the recommendation product will prioritize in the output. So the prioritized product has a 5 products, from the 10 products it is filtered and the recommended products. So on that 5 product it will recommended 3 products after Apple products, so that user can easily engage with what the products they have like. Next, I have checked for that liked products, and I have included that title, and check for the title, and it will provide a score. The score will increase. So according to the increased number of score, the product will be recommended to the user. I hope you have understand what I am saying. So next, what I have done here, so liked product, and that each and every liked product, it checks here in this if condition, if the product title includes like product title, and it will provide a score for it. Next, it will return the products and score. Along with that, it will be shorted here, which is nothing but to check the score for the product, if the to ascend or else to arrange those products in that list of products. So as you can see, I have said that if I like a Apple product, and it has plenty amount of Apple product in the MongoDB, almost of the 10 product. So it will grab all the recommended products. In those recommended product, it will provide some score for it, and after providing the score, it will rearrange that entire list of recommended products, and it will return that recommended ranked recommendation products. So I will provide this detailed about in the next upcoming video, or else in the live. So stay tuned for that upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.